Did your piano teacher make you feel like a failure? Do you struggle with trying to read traditional music notation? Do you love music but just wish there was an easier way to play your favorite songs on piano just like the original but without having to read music?
I'm Shawn and I was born with perfect pitch, and I've been writing down the music that I hear my whole life. As I progressed with traditional piano lessons, my playing ability began to far exceed my reading ability, and the farther apart those two things are, the more frustrated you can get. I know what it's like to struggle with reading music, and that's why I'm so passionate about removing the reading roadblocks so that you can begin to play the music you love today.
Hi, my name is Evan. Web piano teacher has been a part of my entire life, and so is music. I love playing music with my dad. I love being able to perform with my dad. And I'm excited for the second generation of web piano teacher users to join me and play some of the best music that this world has to offer.
I'm Shauna, and I wholeheartedly believe music is for everyone. Whether you're playing at the end of the day just to blow off steam, or you've got a big gig on Saturday night, music has brought so much joy to our family. And we hope to get you playing the music that you love so you can experience that same joy too.
With my method, you don't have to know how to read music, and you can play exactly what your favorite artists play on the album version or live version of their song. You won't find a more meticulous or accurate transcription on any other website. I sat on the bench side by side with real students for decades, and I understand the roadblocks people actually have when learning a song. When I teach a lesson, I've anticipated just about any problem you're going to experience and give you the tools ahead of time to overcome them.
At Web Piano Teacher, you're more than just a member. You're a partner, a friend, or part of our global musical family.
Each member is eligible to hire me to transcribe and teach the songs you can't find anywhere else on the internet. Go to webpianoteacher.com to create a free profile and gain access to every Part 1 lesson on the site. Whether you're new to piano or have advanced questions, you can set up a Zoom call with me to simply connect and get your questions answered.
It's never too late, and you're never too old. Go to webpianoteacher.com to sign up for a free profile and start learning the songs you love today.